Alright, today, another glorious day in the field. We're going to help Northwell move a rig on the other end of the frac stuff that I'm always doing. So this will be the first time that I've gotten to move the rig, so this is kind of neat. We're going to pick up some stuff. We're out at Cow Lake, and then we're going to take it all the way to Big Springs Hill, which is west of Airdrie. It's just going to be a one load. It's a light plant and fuel skid, nothing glorious, just easy peasy, in and out.
You don't wanna go, but I'm not staying. See, you found love, but I'm just aging. Oh, the fire's low, I'm broken inside. I'm still alive, I'm still alive. But you know that we might still get burned. The fire is raging. Wanna run again. Rip me out and let me breathe again. I'm broken inside, but I'm still alive. I'm still alive. The fire is
Alright, plan is, now that I'm on location, we're going to suck on this light plant right up to the neck, and we're going to throw a fuel skid and mat on the back. Unfortunately, the trailer's too short and too much sticks out the back, so I'm going to scissor flat. So I got to shake it back, get her teetering, and pull out the pins and flip the neck so it's flat, and then we'll suck it up a little way so I got some weight on the drives, and then we'll put the fuel skid on the front with the mat.
It's a carousel of words running around, going nowhere. How do you survive while I'm burning alive? Though the flame is there, I'm broken inside. I'm still alive, I'm still alive. But we cannot burn without nowhere.
I didn't chain up because they said there was going to be a tow cat, so I'm like, why bother? I'm out here all the time chaining up, so I'm taking advantage of this cat.
The fire is raging.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Right 2 plus long, opens right 5. And short left 6. Brake in, right 4 plus. Then left 2 plus. Then right 3 and left 3 minus. And right 2 plus long. Then left 2 minus back. And late, right 3 plus tightens 2 plus long. 30. Slow in left 4 in over crest and right 2 plus. 30. Late left 2 plus back.
Wanna run again. Rip me out and let me breathe again. I'm broken inside, but I'm still alive. I'm still alive. years running around, going nowhere. How do you survive while I'm burning alive? Though the flame is there, I'm broken inside. I'm still alive, I'm still alive. But we cannot burn without nowhere.